Did you know that the average person eats about 250 eggs a year? That's a lot of eggs. Today, we're going to dive into what happens to your body when you eat eggs every day. Get ready for some egg-citing information. Eggs have been a staple in diets worldwide for centuries, and for good reason. They are packed with essential nutrients that can have a positive impact on your overall health. From improving brain function to supporting muscle growth, eggs are truly a superfood. Boosted brain health. Eggs are rich in choline, which is essential for brain function. Choline is crucial for maintaining the structure of cell membranes and producing neurotransmitters. Eating eggs daily can help improve memory, cognitive function, and overall brain health. Stronger muscles. Eggs are a great source of high-quality protein. The protein in eggs contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it perfect for muscle repair and growth. Incorporating eggs into your daily diet can help you build and maintain strong muscles. Improved eye health. Eggs contain important nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Eating eggs regularly can contribute to better vision and overall eye health. Enhanced immune system. Eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamins A, D, E, and B12, along with selenium and zinc, all play a crucial role in maintaining a strong immune system. Consuming eggs daily can help you stay healthy and ward off infections. Increased energy levels. Eggs provide a good balance of proteins and fats. The combination of proteins and healthy fats in eggs provides a steady source of energy throughout the day. Eating eggs for breakfast can keep you feeling energized and full for longer. Better heart health. Eggs contain healthy fats and antioxidants that benefit the heart. Contrary to old beliefs, moderate egg consumption does not increase heart disease risk. In fact, the healthy fats and antioxidants in eggs can help improve your cholesterol profile and support heart health. Weight management. Eggs can help you feel full and satisfied. High in protein and healthy fats, eggs can help curb your appetite and reduce cravings. Including eggs in your diet can aid in weight loss and management. Healthier skin and hair. Eggs provide essential nutrients for skin and hair health. Vitamins A, D, and E, along with biotin, help keep your skin and hair healthy and vibrant. Regular egg consumption can contribute to a glowing complexion and strong, shiny hair. Stronger bones. Eggs are a good source of vitamin D and calcium. Vitamin D and calcium are vital for maintaining bone health and density. Eating eggs daily can help you build and maintain strong bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Improved mood and mental health. Eggs can positively impact your mood and mental health. The choline, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids in eggs contribute to better mood regulation and mental well-being. Including eggs in your diet can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that can offer a wide array of health benefits when consumed regularly. From supporting muscle growth to promoting brain health, eggs are a versatile and delicious addition to any diet. So why not consider adding eggs to your daily meals to reap these fantastic benefits? I want to hear from you. Have you tried eating eggs every day? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching.